Hello everyone, welcome back to Soft Reviews. Have you ever wished you could step into your favorite story and actually talk to the characters? Or imagine creating your own scene, like a boy and girl in a park, or even a wizard or superhero, and having AI bring it to life instantly? What if you could design your own characters, set their personalities, and chat with them in real time, just like they're real people? Well, that's exactly what today's video is about. I'm going to show you CraveU, an AI-powered chat and roleplay platform where your imagination sets the stage. If you enjoy creative storytelling, interacting with virtual characters, or simply want to see how AI handles realistic conversations, this tool has plenty to offer. I'll walk you through its features, give you a hands-on demo, and share my honest opinion. So let's get started. First, CraveU has been gaining a lot of attention because it allows users to roleplay, chat, and create unique storylines with AI-driven characters. Whether you're into storytelling, anime-inspired avatars, or just want to try something different in the AI space, this platform has something for everyone. Once you're on the site, click Login and sign in with your email or Google account. At the top right corner, you'll see filters to refine your search for the exact character, mood, or style you want to interact with. Trending section shows the most active and talked about characters. View modes switch to hottest, newest, or most loved to find fresh or popular options. Gender filter. Narrow your selection to male, female, or non-binary characters. Theme and style filters. Explore tags like anime, romantic, fantasy, dominant, cute, naughty, and more. NSFW toggle. Turn it on for mature content or keep it off for a safer browsing experience. CraveU isn't just another chat site, it's really about creating your own immersive fantasy world. For example, I tried the Open Chat feature, where you can build a scene from scratch. I typed 3 friends in a gym, and instantly, the AI generated a full, dynamic conversation. You can edit replies, add characters, and control the flow, just like writing a story in real time. In another test, I entered boy and the girl in stadium. This time, the AI not only created dialogue, also making the scene even more immersive. You can also set the chat vibe casual, flirty, romantic, and even define your relationship with the character. That way, the AI responds exactly how you'd like. Now, let's talk about how you can create a character. First, click on the Create button. Here, you'll need to drag and drop your image. Make sure both your image and character description follow the platform's guidelines. After uploading the image, it's time to fill in the details. Name. For example, you can enter something like Anna. Introduction. Write a short description, such as a young model. Personality. Add traits. For instance, a skinny and attractive lady. Tags. You can use tags like female and anime. Next, set the initial message and other scenario details. Under the Scene Snap option, choose a style and describe the character's appearance. Once that's done, move on to additional settings such as gallery, example dialogues, character definition, rating, and visibility. Finally, your character will now appear in the chat list. To interact, simply click Start Chat and you're ready to begin chatting with your character. That's how quick and easy it is to create one. Here we have Snap Scene option. You can generate the character images by using this option. Just click on it and then you can see here is the image. Finally, you can start chat with your character. Now let's talk about pricing. CraveU runs on a token system. You can check your balance anytime and purchase token packages if needed. There's also a bonus section where you can claim daily rewards, earn free tokens, and complete challenges to boost your balance without spending money. And that's our full walkthrough of CraveU, an AI chat and roleplay platform packed with creativity, fun, and endless possibilities. Whether you want to interact with your favorite characters, create your own, or explore new fantasy worlds, CraveU makes it possible. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've left the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI tools and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.